The House prosecution panel is now 90 to 95% prepared for the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte. According to House Assistant Majority Leader Jill Bongalon, one of the designated prosecutors, the panel has already gathered witnesses and evidence from previous hearings on strengthening their case to persuade Senator judges that the impeachment complaint has merit. The prosecution panel also welcomed the Senate's ongoing preparations for the trial, considering it is a significant development. House Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability Chair Joel Chua, another designated prosecutor, said that the Senate's latest actions demonstrate a commitment to upholding accountability at the highest levels of government.
Kasi yung mga testigos naman, of course, na salang din naman natin yan sa mga naging pagdinig sa Kongreso. So probably we already have the names of the witnesses. Kaya ngayon pinag-aaralan namin kung magdadagdag pa kami or kung enough na yung mga taong yun bilang aming testigo dito po sa impeachment case.